Recently, we had the honor to receive long-term partners from Saudi Arabia and welcome them to the Leader Factory for a field visit.
Welcome, Habibi.
Over the years, we have established a deep cooperative relationship with Saudi customers and jointly promoted the successful completion of many important projects, which has established a solid trust and tacit understanding between us and Saudi customers. During the factory visit, we showed customers efficient solar cables that meet international standards. These solar cables are made of high-quality material and have been rigorously tested to ensure long-term stability and reliability in extreme environments. This factory visit not only further consolidated our cooperative relationship with Saudi customers, but also laid a solid foundation for the in-depth cooperation between the two parties in the field of solar cables in the future. In the future, Leader will continue to adhere to high standards and high-quality production and services to create more value for customers. Thanks to Saudi customers for their long-term support and trust. We look forward to working with you to create a more brilliant future.